In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Smartsheet. We're going to set this up in a simple, practical way so you can start collecting orders in one organized place. The goal is to create a sheet to store the order details, turn that sheet into a form, and then share the form so customers or team members can submit information directly. Start by opening Smartsheet and creating a brand new sheet for orders. This sheet will act as the main location where every submission is stored, so it's important to name it clearly and keep it dedicated to this purpose. Creating a separate sheet for orders helps you stay organized and makes it much easier to review incoming requests later. Once the sheet is ready, add the columns you need to capture the order information. Create columns for customer name, item, quantity, price, address, and status. These fields give you the core details needed to manage each order from submission through fulfillment. As you build the sheet, make sure each column name is clear and easy to understand, because these same labels will also help shape the form experience for the person filling it out. After the columns are in place, click on Forms. This is the feature in Smartsheet that lets you collect information without giving someone direct access to the sheet itself. Instead of editing rows manually, users can submit their order details through a clean guided form, and Smartsheet will automatically place each submission into the sheet as a new row. Create a new form using the order columns you just added. Smartsheet will usually pull those fields in automatically, which saves time and keeps everything connected properly. As you review the form, think about the order in which the questions appear. A logical flow makes the form easier to complete and helps reduce mistakes. Next, customize the form title and set the required fields. The title should clearly tell people what the form is for, so they know they're in the right place. For required fields, focus on the information you absolutely need in order to process the order correctly. This helps prevent incomplete submissions and saves time on follow-up. Once the form looks good, share the form link with customers or team members. Anyone with the link can open the form and submit an order, which makes this a quick and convenient way to gather information. Finally, review submitted orders inside the Smartsheet sheet. Each new form submission will appear there, allowing you to track details, monitor status, and manage everything from one central workspace.